Hello all, welcome back to our channel. I hope you have enjoyed the part 1 for AI 900 exam preparation. If you had liked that video, please do share and subscribe our channel to your beloved ones who is trying to complete the exams and to whom which you think it's helpful. Today we are here to discuss some more questions and answers for the part 2. So let's start. In the last video we have discussed till the question 20. So today we are starting with 21st. You plan to deploy an Azure machine learning model as a service that will be used by client applications. Which 3 processes should you perform in sequence before you deploy the model? To answer, move the appropriate processes from the list of processes to the answer area and arrange them in the correct order. So here we are having some options: data encryption, model retraining, model training, data preparation, model evaluation. So what we have to do is we have to select the correct options and have to paste them over this answer area according to their order. So let's check answer area. It's like data preparation, model training and model evaluation. Question 22. You are building an AI based app. You need to ensure that the app uses the principles for responsible AI. Which 2 principles should you follow? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. And here we have 1 point each for each correct selection. The options are: A. Implement an agile software development methodology. B. Implement a process of AI model validation as part of the software review process. C. Establish a risk governance committee that includes members of the legal team, members of the risk management team and a privacy officer. D. Prevent the disclosure of the use of AI based algorithms for automated decision making. The correct answers are option B and option C. Question 23. To complete the sentence, select the appropriate option in the answer area. It's a drop down. So according to Microsoft's principle of responsible AI, AI systems should not reflect biases from the data sets that are used to train the systems. We have to select one of the above options: accountability, fairness, inclusiveness and transparency. The correct answer is fairness. Question 25. Match the type of AI workloads to the appropriate scenarios. To answer, drag the appropriate workload type from the column on the left to its scenario on the right. We have done it in the part 1. So we have to drag the correct options to its correct position on the right side. The answer: it is an automated chatbot to answer questions about refunds and exchange, is knowledge mining. Determining whether a photo contains a person is a computer vision. Determining whether a review is positive or negative is natural language processing. Question 26. Match the machine learning task to the appropriate scenarios. Examining the values of a confusion matrix. It is a model evaluation. Splitting a date into month, day and year fields is future engineering. Picking temperature and pressure to train a weather model is feature selection. Question 27. To complete the sentence, please select the appropriate option in the answer area. The data values that influence the prediction of a model are called as dash. The options are dependent variables, features, identifiers, labels. The correct option is features. The data values that influence the prediction of a model are called features. You have the predicted versus true chart shown in the following exhibit. Which type of model is the chart used to elevate? Options: A. Classification, B. Regression, C. Clustering. The answer is option B. Regression. Question 29. Which type of machine learning should you use to predict the number of gift cards that will be sold next month? Option A. Classification, option B. Regression, option C. Clustering. The correct answer is option B. Regression. Question 30. You have a data set that contains information about taxi journeys that occurred during a given period. You need to train a model to predict the fare of a taxi journey. What should you use as a feature? Options: A. The number of taxi journeys in the data set. B. The trip distance of individual taxi journeys. Option C. The fare of individual taxi journeys. And D. The trip ID of individual taxi journeys. The answer is option B. The trip distance of individual taxi journeys. Question 31. You need to predict the sea level in meters for the next 10 years. Which type of machine learning should you use? Option A. Classification, option B. Regression, option C. Clustering. Correct answer is option B. Regression. Question 32. For each of the following statements, select yes if statement is true or no. It's a true or false question. So, the automated machine learning is the process of automating the time-consuming, iterative task of machine learning model development. It's a true. Automated machine learning can automatically infer the training data from the use case provided. False. Automated machine learning works by running multiple training iterations that are scored and ranked by the metrics you specify. True. Automated machine learning enables you to specify a data set and will automatically understand which label to predict. It's a false. To complete the sentence, select the appropriate option in the answer area. A banking system that predicts whether a loan will be repaid is an example of the dash type of machine learning. Options: classification, regression, clustering. The answer is classification. Question 34. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. So for this, each correct answer we get 1 point each. Labeling is the process of tagging training data with known values is true. You should evaluate a model by using the same data used to train the model is false. Accuracy is always the primary metric used to measure a model's performance is again a false. Question 35. Which service should you use to extract text, key or value pairs and table data automatically from scanned documents? The options are A. Form recognizer, B. Text analytics, C. Language understanding, D. Custom vision. The correct answer is option A. Form recognizer. Question 36. To complete the sentence, select the appropriate option in the answer area. The ability to extract subtotals and totals from a receipt is a capability of the dash service. Options are custom vision, form recognizer, ink recognizer, text analytics. The correct answer is form recognizer. Question 37. You use Azure Machine Learning Designer to publish an inference pipeline. Which two parameters should you use to access the web service? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Option A, the model name. Option B, the training endpoint. Option C, the authentication key. And option D, the REST endpoint. The correct answer is option C, the authentication key, and option D, the REST endpoint. Question 38. From Azure Machine Learning Designer to deploy a real-time inference pipeline as a service for others to consume, you must deploy the model to a local web service, Azure Container Instances, Azure Kubernetes Service, Azure Machine Learning Compute. Correct answer is the AKS, Azure Kubernetes Service. Question 39. Predicting how many hours of overtime a delivery person will work based on the number of orders received is an example of the following: classification, clustering, or regression. For this, we have to know what each means. We are having two types of machine learning. It's supervised or predefined label and unsupervised, which is unknown label. So for the supervised one, there are two: regression and classification. Regression is the predicting of numeric values, and the classification is predicting yes or no types. In the unsupervised, there is clustering, and it is based on the similar grouping. So for here, they are asking for how many hours of overtime a delivery person will work. So it's upon the numeric value, and so we are selecting regression as the answer. Question 40. Is it true or false? The Azure Machine Learning Designer provides a drag and drop visual canvas to build, test, and deploy machine learning models. This is a true. Azure Machine Learning Designer enables you to say your progress as a pipeline draft. Is it true? Azure Machine Learning Designer enables you to include custom JavaScript function. Is a false. So guys, this is all for today's video. We are ending up with the part 2. Hope you all like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel and pass to your colleagues or whoever needs the help. Thank you and see you on next video. Bye bye.